Right, so you're looking for an electric fire, but you want it to look as realistic as possible. Bespoke Fireplace, their panoramic range now has what's called LUMIN technology, brand new in the industry. Basically, to break it down, it's brighter and better flames. So when you want to go for the realistic look, which I'll show you some examples, I put that just the orange flame on, maybe with a hint of white or blue flame. We put the burning embers on the bed, and with the upgraded luxury logs, they're actual real logs, they're handcrafted, they're being hand burned. You can't get any more realistic looking than actual real logs. When you see it with these flames, sometimes I turn the down lights off to give it that more cozy, dramatic look. It's the most realistic looking electric fire out there on the market. Let's have a little look at some examples.